Restore missing quick access in Windows 10 File Explorer. In the File Explorer, click on the View tab. Click the Options drop-down menu and select Change Folder and Search Options. It will open the Folder Options window. In the General tab, make sure Open File Explorer 2 is set to Quick Access. In the Privacy section, check Show Recently Used Files in Quick Access and Show Frequently Used Folders in Quick Access options. Go to the View tab. Under Folder Views, click on the Reset Folders button. Click Yes when asked to confirm. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Open File Explorer again and check if the Quick Access folder is visible.